Hello everyone, this is Jim from MyMac. In this video, I will introduce
AHI's 19-seat underground explosion-proof electric personnel carrier truck.
AHI's 19-seat underground explosion-proof
Electric personnel carrier truck is a low-profile model, which features a 4x4 or 4x2 drive format to ensure stability and throughput in the complex terrain of the mine.
The overall dimensions of
AHI's 19-seat personnel carrier truck is 6,200 mm by 2,000 mm by 1960 mm. It has a minimum ground clearance of 190 mm, which is designed to ensure the vehicle's passability and stability.
This transporter has a rated load capacity
of 1,520 kg. The low-profile model has a total mass of 6,100 kg. Fully loaded, the low-profile model has a mass of 7,620 kg. These figures ensure the vehicle capacity and meet the weight requirements for transporting people in the mines.
The rated loading capacity is 19 people.
Has a maximum speed of 40 km per hour and a minimum turning radius of 7,500 mm, making it suitable for operation in narrow spaces in mining areas. With a range of 120 km and 74 kWh of power, it meets the daily transportation needs.
AHI's 19-seat personnel carrier truck
Adopt explosion-proof lithium battery as the power supply, explosive-proof AC motor as the power output.
AHI's 19-seat personnel carrier truck
Mainly composed of frame, body, steering system, driving system, wheels, suspension, hydraulic system, power battery and electrical system, etc.
The low-floor design provides
the large space, improved occupant boarding convenience and safety.
AHI's 19-seat personnel carrier truck
Using frequency control system and efficient drive system.
The intelligent monitoring system
Monitor the working status of important components such as motors, reducers, and batteries in real time.
using power lithium battery for power supply.
Zero emission, low noise, energy saving, and environmental protection during operation.
Thanks for your time with us. Welcome to contact MyMac at any time.
For more details about our company, products and services, you are welcome to visit our homepage www.mymac.com.